Hello and welcome back to Ricky Ventures. Today we're going to hook up this lead acid battery, put it in this ammo box I picked up from Fleet Farm. And we're going to hook it with this cord I bought from Amazon called Orapic. I'll put a link down below where you can go purchase one of these if you want to. Bought them off of Amazon. This is a little bit different than the one I bought before for the other battery box that I built, but it's the same thing. The other one I couldn't buy anymore, like they didn't make them, and so I had to buy this new one. So I just searched around on Amazon and found one that I think will work. The biggest thing is the cord, will it fit in your cameras? And what I like about this one specifically is it gives you different sizes of connectors to put on it. So I think this is the one that will actually fit my Browning cameras, but if you had other different sizes of connections to your camera, it comes with these extra connections. So I thought that was kind of nice, but I think this is the right one to connect into it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drill a small hole here. I think this is a 5/16 bit I've got here. Yeah, this is a 5/16 bit I've got out of my kit here. I'm going to just drill a hole right here and put that cord in there. As easy as that, I think. And I think I can snake this cord through here, I hope. I don't want to make the hole any bigger than I have to. Yeah, these are going right in there, which is good. Question is, can I get this other piece through there? I wonder if I have to, I wonder if I disconnect this. This is the spot where the fuse goes in it. I'm going to just push that through there and screw it up on the other side, because I want to make this hole as small as possible so we don't get any water or anything in it. And the one thing I didn't bring out here was I forgot to bring some electrical tape, so we'll have to do that next time. Let's see if I can push this through that hole now. Almost. I gotta make it a little bit bigger. Just widen it out a little bit there. Now I can poke that through almost. There it goes. So I got that in there. That's the positive. Let's get the negative in there. So you can see right here, I pushed them both through that hole. I just drilled a small hole in it. Push them both through there. And that way it's pretty watertight. I'll come back with some electrical tape, I think, next time to kind of tape it on there so it stays in place. See if I can brute force this back into here a little bit further. It's going. There it goes. So that won't come out, and I can put some black tape on that next time just to kind of make it a little bit more secure. But that's just to get the wire into the box, and then we have to hook this piece back up with the fuse. Put the fuse there. This just screws right back on there. It's kind of spring loaded, so you gotta be careful it doesn't bounce out of your hand. And then this battery, when I charged it, it's only holding about 12 volts after I put it on the charger. So I don't know if this battery is going to last out here or not. We may have to go get a new lead acid battery. This is just one I had around the house. Hadn't been used in a while, so I'm not sure how long the charge is going to last on it. But that's the battery box all put together. And we're already out here by the intersection stand, which is where I want to put this battery box. I was going to hook it up on this camera right here. So the battery box I'm going to just throw behind the tree here. But I want it laying down so that, like, it's like that, so water won't roll in that hole. Cord's a little short. but that's all right. It works. And then we can plug in the bottom of this. Take that off. And this just goes through here. Here's the plug-in on the camera for it. I think this is the right size. Like I said, you don't have to use those extension pieces. Yep, that plugs right into it. Pretty tight, pretty secure, so I don't know if it's going to get messed up or not. We'll go ahead and wrap it around the top of it just to be safe. Let's get this back on it. And we can wrap it around. Like that. Except I pulled my box when I wrapped it. So I went like that so that, again, the water won't run into that hole. And there we go. Battery box is hooked up. I'm not going to pull any pictures off anything. It's only been like a week or 2 weeks since we messed with this camera, so we'll give it another week and see if there's any videos on it next time. There'll definitely be videos of us just messing with it, so. All right, that's all I got for today, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how I make those battery boxes. Really, really simple. I think that cord cost me 10 bucks, maybe 12 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, I'll put a link to it down below so you guys could go get a copy of that. You guys can go pick that up if you need it. And I already had the battery, but if we can get a new lead acid battery, I think they're around $79, probably 80 bucks. That's one I already had laying around the house. We'll see if it works. It's only holding 12 volts charge in it, so it may not last the whole time. We may have to get a new one, but that's what I got. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video, and we will see you guys on the next one.